Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying access. Open the Gcash app and sign in with your existing credentials so you can request a number change. Once signed in, make sure your account is fully verified with your ID and OTP access because the app restricts sensitive changes. You need a new mobile number ready and the SIM active for verification. Now tap your profile, then Settings. This begins the official flow to change your registered mobile number and keeps your wallet secure. You proceed by selecting Profile, then Settings, and choose Update Mobile Number to start the change. When prompted, type the new mobile number exactly and request the OTP. Use the new SIM to receive that code so verification completes. If Gcash asks for additional ID or a selfie, submit clear matching documents. This prevents delays. Once the OTP and documents are accepted, the app will queue the change and notify you of any further steps required to find. You finish by confirming the change and watching for both an in-app confirmation and an SMS to the new number. This confirms your wallet now uses that number. If the OTP fails or never arrives, make sure the new SIM is active, restart your phone, and try resend after a short wait. If verification is rejected, gather your reference ID and contact Gcash support through the app chat or hotline. They can escalate and resolve mismatches or document issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.